Dr. Swarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. What is metabolic syndrome and does it have any implications on male and female infertility? Metabolic syndrome is a cluster of conditions. Now, this occurs together, increasing the risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes. It is characterized by the presence of at least 3 of the following 5 risk factors that I am going to discuss. Abdominal obesity, excess fat around the abdomen and often measured by waist circumference is called abdominal obesity. High blood pressure, which could be a pressure range reading consistently above the normal range of above 130 by 85 mmHg. So high blood pressure is also contributing factor. Next is elevated sugar levels. Now these elevating fasting and blood sugar levels of above 100 mg per dl indicate insulin resistance or pre-diabetic condition. High triglycerides are also not good. Elevated levels of triglycerides in the blood ranging from above 150 mg per dl is also not good. Low HDL cholesterol, low levels of high density lipoprotein, which is called as HDL cholesterol, often is referred to as a good cholesterol, and therefore if it is less than 40 mg per dl for men and less than 50 mg per dl for women, it's considered to be a low range of HDL. Now, what are the implications of this metabolic syndrome? Let's look at female fertility. Polycystic ovarian syndrome. Metabolic syndrome is closely linked with PCOS as a common cause of female infertility. Insulin resistance and hyperinsulinemia, which is the excess insulin production in PCOS, can lead to hyperandrogenism, disrupted normal ovulation, and lead to anovulation. Ovulatory dysfunction can also occur. Women with metabolic syndrome may experience ovulatory dysfunction even in the absence of PCOS. Insulin resistance can impair hormonal regulation of the menstrual cycle, leading to irregular ovulation or anovulation, making conception even more difficult. Endometrial dysfunction. Metabolic syndrome can lead to changes in the endometrial lining and making it less receptive to embryo implantation, can result in failure to get pregnant. This can also increase the risk of miscarriage. Chronic low-grade inflammation associated with metabolic syndrome can alter the expression of genes and proteins which are extremely essential for successful implantation and maintenance of early pregnancy. Women with metabolic syndrome are at a higher risk for complications during pregnancy as well, because they have a risk of gestational diabetes, preeclampsia and preterm birth. So these complications can also affect ability to get pregnant. Obesity and hormonal imbalance also is something that we need to discuss. Abdominal obesity, which is a mark of metabolic syndrome, is associated with elevated levels of sex hormones like increased estrogen, decreased sex hormone binding globulin, which is called as SHBH. These imbalances can disrupt the menstrual cycle and ovulation, leading to infertility. In males, metabolic syndrome is associated with impaired spermatogenesis, obesity and insulin resistance, which can lead to hormonal imbalances including reduced testosterone levels, increased estradiol, which negatively affects sperm production and quality. Men with metabolic syndrome often have lower sperm count, reduced motility, and abnormal sperm morphology. Oxidative stress is also high in patients with metabolic syndrome, which can affect the ability to get pregnant. Not only this, in males, erectile dysfunction can also be a problem with men with the metabolic syndrome diseases, and it can reduce the ability to get pregnant because the frequency of sexual intercourse also reduces. Hormonal imbalances can also result because of this. Metabolic syndrome can cause a reduction in testosterone levels, which is very critical for maintaining normal sperm production and male infertility. Elevated levels of inflammatory cytokines are also seen. So definitely obesity can contribute to metabolic diseases which are not good for getting pregnant. So what are the treatment and management options? Lifestyle interventions. Weight loss is a very, very important factor. Pharmacological treatments are also there. Medications to control blood sugar, medications to control hypertension, assisted reproductive technologies where IVF is a very good option is also suggested. So metabolic syndrome may impact fertility involving hormonal balances, inflammation, etc. But proper treatment options, which also include lifestyle changes, can definitely improve reproductive outcomes. If you wish to know more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.